today we'll learn how to multiply with 525, 125 and 625 within 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so we'll start. Assume it is given something like 5 into 5. What will be the answer? You will simply say it is 25. Or if I say it is 16 into 5, you will simply say it is 80, right? But if number becomes something like this, 1 2 3 7 into 5, it will take some time now. It will take some time. What you will do actually, you will simply do 5 into 7 35, carry 3, 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 3 carry 1, and then 18. All those things you will be doing, like how many calculations you will be doing. You will be multiplying with 7, then you will be multiplying with 3, and then multiplying with 2 and 1, all these 4 calculations, but you will be adding. Is there a short way to do it? Yes, there is. How? Check. 1 2 3 7 into 5, right? 5 we can write is 10 by 5, right? Now it has become 1 2 3 7 0 divided by, this is not 10 by 5, this is, sorry, this is 10 by 2, right? 5 we can write as 10 by 2. Now this is 1 2 3 7 by 1 2 3 7 0 by 2. Now this is very easy. How? 2 6 are 2 1 are 2 8 are 2 5 are done. Easy, right? Assume you. Now next problem we can take like 6585 into 5. Again, if you do by this into 5, 5 5s are 5 8s are, and it will take a lot of time. Same thing we can write is 65850 divided by 2. Now this is 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 9s are 2 2s are 2 5s are done. How much time you have taken? Very less time. Same thing, assume this thing is given 1287 into 25. Now 25 we can write as 5 square, or 1287 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. This is what we can write. Now this will be 128700 divided by 4. Now how you can go? You can go one by one. First divide by 2 and then again divide by 2. So first we divide by 2. This is 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 0 divided by 2, and then it will be 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. This is the answer. Easy, right? Same thing we can do with, let's see one more example. Assume this is given 128925 into 125. 125 means 125 we can write as 128925 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. What is 125? 5 cube means 3 times 5 will come. Here 1 5, here 1 5, and here 1 5. 3 times 5 will come. Okay. Now check. This is written 128925 into 3 zeros divided by 2 into 2 into 2. Again you can write this thing is 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 2 6s are 2 2 5 00 divided by 2 into 2. Again same thing. 2 3s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 0 divided by 2. Now 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 6s are 225. This is the answer. Easily you can do. Assume you have to multiply this thing like 6 digit into 3 digit, how much time it will take, but with this thing you can do it in 2-3 seconds, not more than that. So try these questions and comment your answer in the comment box. 125 into 35, 1387 into 25, and 1289 into 5. So this is all for today's lecture. I think you learned a good awesome trick to do this multiplication with 5. We'll see you soon in the next lecture. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a video. Thank you so much.